Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and today I'm going to be sharing an altered notebook. So I love to make these. You can buy these for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you also can get them for as low as 50 cents during the school, school back to school stuff. So I end up buying quite a few during back to school, and then when I need more of them, I just buy them at the Dollar Tree. So this is all using one of my last kits from the Planner Society. And so on the front, I'm using the papers as well as this gold kind of sequined bow sticker and some of the doilies. And then when I open it up, I have the stick notes that came in the kit. And then for this one, I created a pocket using the vellum. And in the pocket, I have a just like another pocket, kind of like a page marker, using the acetate. And here's the pocket. And then here are some fabric tape that came in the kit, as well as some bow clips. I might take that out because it's making it very bulky, but for right now, just sticking it in there. And then this is going to be a project notebook. So I have projects, wish list, YouTube, and schedule in here. So I haven't completely, started working with it. But in each section, I have it, decorated. And then this one that says YouTube is decorated as well. And then I'm using the papers. And then I used one of the acetate pieces and made a place to put washi tape, which is in there. It's a really fun project to make and jazz up, your notebooks, your schedule. This one is another envelope using the vellum and decorated as well. And then there's the back. And then I made a little loop thing for my pen right here. And so that's the notebook. I think it's very, very cute and very usable, easy to make. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.